Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are fitting the E30 ignition switch as ours is buggered. So instead of buying a new one, I decided to skimp and buy one off eBay. It was 25 quid delivered rather than 65, so not a huge saving, but hopefully it works. So today we're going to fit that and hopefully we'll have finally the ignition will be working fine.
Yeah, you've not tested it already, have you?
No, we've not tested it already. Basically this bit's filmed after we've actually done it, as someone deleted the intro. And I've been waiting so long, I've now got a cold in the process. Because it's Arctic temperatures. 8.2 degrees, which is quite cold. It was -1 earlier, so it's actually warmed up.
I just noticed I bought some my 5 o'clock. They got 10. They're great, but they're not going to be any good for like drying the car, but for little stuff like doing the dash and whatnot.
Like 5 cloths if you actually clean car. Jake don't clean his, as you've seen in the previous video. So this is the ignition switch. Basically in the middle is what wears out. That little cylinder. Stupid design really. So as we haven't used the car since we last done it, the under steering wheel cover is already off, but you'd take the steering wheel off to do that. 22. So the switch itself is held in by the 2 clips on the side. Once you release, it'll pop down. This one might be attached to the actual steering wheel column, so it's this one.
Try to stop this, postpone the heartache, but I bet your body disagree, cause you keep coming home to me. My eyes are glued to my phone, trying to read your signals, but you say you wanna be alone, but the pain in your body leaves me otherwise, and I can't keep you alive, but I know.
So the first connector connects here. Final connector here. It goes back on the way it came off. The tabs locate here. Moment of truth. Job done. Not an overly difficult job, but it's something that's been bugging me. I didn't want to go down the route of the start button as I'm not chav. Or whatever that is in America.
So is it worth the money? Has it fixed it?
Yes, so we've spent 25 on the barrel and then 25 on the switch, so for 50 quid we've solved the issue of the thing not starting reliably with the key. All that's left to do now is cable tie the wire back to the steering wheel column, and that's it.
You